know where we're at?
Where?
In the closet of death.
Scary. I had a fart.
California tan.
Whoa, sweet. There's like cherries.
Sweet.
Hell to the motherfucking yeah. We need to like pull this down. It's like a bench.
Oh, I farted and it stinks really bad.
I don't know.
Cage.
The TV. No, that's a cage. There's a TV right next to it.
Okay, look, there's a TV right next to it.
Shelby, why didn't you put that up? Hey, look, it's my little spa thingy.
I'm just farting in.
Oh.
I heard that one. I'm gonna leave now.